Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soto talking to you. Today is my free daily signal for Tuesday, July 7th, 2020. Okay, and the signal I'll share for you here is for EURAUD. Okay, Euro versus the Australian dollar. Okay, now I really do not have any fresh signals like I normally do, so I was just panning through all the different currency pairs, trying to find something that was really good I could share with you. And this one really stood out at me. Okay, now I like this signal because if we look at the 4-hour chart, okay, the 4-hour chart shows to go up. Okay, if I zoom in a little bit, you can see that is definitely going up. Okay, it's already going, it's an uptrend. But if we go down to the smaller time frames, okay, the 1 hour shows to go up still, and the 30-minute shows to go down. Okay, so what I think is going to happen is the price is going to drop now. Okay, and then it's going to go back up. So if we look from, if I get the crosshairs here and I go from this point to this point, we're looking at 1,000 pips already that the price has gone up. So the price is going to drop. I do not think it's going to drop another 1,000 pips. Okay, but what I think is going to happen is the price is going to drop probably about 500 pips or points, and then it's going to retrace and come back up. So if we come back here on the 4-hour chart, look at this. If we draw a trend line and mark our resistance from this point coming down to this point like that, okay, that's going to mark our resistance coming down, right? And what we have to notice is that this officially is not really going to uptrend until that breaks. Okay, we want this trend line to break, and what I think is going to happen is the price will drop back down. Now we hit this resistance, and then if we go back down to 30-minute and we zoom out a little bit, you can see, you know, what's happening. All right, this price is going to drop, and then, you know, it hit a strong level of support and then bounce back up again, and then it's gonna go down and then back up, and it's going to hit this trend line and break, and it's going to go up even further long term. Okay, so right now, here's my advice. You put your EURAUD on a 30-minute time frame, okay, and then you want to just sell. Okay, go ahead and place a sell trade right now. Wait for this to drop. Hit a blue arrow on a 30-minute time frame. Okay, and then when you get the blue arrow, wait a few candles, about 3 or 4 candles after you get the blue arrow, and then buy again and wait for this to hit this trend line. Okay, once it hits that trend line, you can close your trade. Okay, so you're going to have 2 trades. Okay, you're going to have a sell that you're going to place now, close it when you get the blue arrow. Once you get the blue arrow, wait a few candles and then place another second buy trade, and then close that when you get the opposite red arrow. Okay, so basically that's 2 trades, and if you get, say, 500 pips per trade, look at this. This is where the price is right now. If it drops 500 pips, which is right there, that's 500 pips right there. Okay, so that's nothing. Okay, it's going to drop probably more than that, but you can easily get at least 500 pips, maybe more. I don't know. Okay, and then it's going to retrace and come back up. So let's say it drops down to this point here. There's a support right here. Let's say it goes back up to this trend line. So that's another 600, at least another 500. So it's going to drop down the next 24 hours, and then Wednesday going to Thursday, you will retrace and go back up again. So you can easily make 500 pips per trade, a total of 1,000 pips this week, just off one single currency pair. Okay, very, very simple. So anyhow, that's my free daily signal. EURAUD is a sell right now. Go ahead and just jump in right now, place a sell trade, wait for the next blue arrow. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions or comments about this particular signal or any of my other Telegram signals that I post every single day. You can feel free to reach out to me on Facebook. There is a link below in the description of this video for my personal Facebook. Please contact me there first. Also, there is a link for my private Facebook group, and you can request to join my Facebook group and post any questions or comments in my Facebook group. Okay, So with that said, I look forward to working with you. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.